Hello everyone. So today's video I am going to not only just show you but tell you where I got these beautiful cute decors and what I did for my DIY. Now the mantle, I got it at Old Time Pottery. It was like a grayish washed out color, so I decided to use a white acrylic paint which I got at Walmart, the big size, and I painted it and I did it 3 coats. What made me buy the wall mantle because of the detail. I love the flowers on it as well as these beautiful design, and I just felt like it was so vintage European feel. And I thought that adding the white will give it more of kind of like the Greek whole theme of it, and I just felt like the white just make it look nice. Either white or like a bone color white, but I wanted to do this shade of white, like white. And I'm glad that I painted because I really love the way it looks. And this cute white roses, they're fake obviously. I got at Old Time Pottery for $1.47, and I got 2 of them, 2 sets. And the inside, which you see the white fake sand at Dollar Tree, and the black plastic pot I got at Walmart for 97 cents each. And the ribbon, the white shimmery ribbon, got it at Walmart for $1.97, and I glued it with the hot glue around it, and I made a little bow and then glued that on there. Same as for this one. The little angel globe, I got it at Dollar Tree. And the cute bunny, it did not came like this actually. I got it at Target. It was brown. It's wood. And it had teal polka dots, and the little tail was white. So what I did was paint the tail. That was a silver glitter paint which I got at Target, and I painted it. And I also added glitter from Dollar Tree, and I sealed it with Mod Podge. I painted with Mod Podge. And then the same paint that I use on the wall mantle, I paint the bunny all around the bunny, the front as well as the back, because I just wanted a white bunny to just match the wall mantle. And that was 3 coats all around it. And as for this cute little canvas here, I got that at Target. I forgot how much the small canvas cost, but I know it wasn't expensive. And the same paint that I use a little bit on the tail, which I use very lightly first, I got that at Target as well. And I saw on Google of a picture of how to basically do, to write the love. And I did it with a pencil by eye, and then I went over it with the paint, a small thin paint brush, and I painted the corners, the sides, each side, and it came out like that. Love. And yeah, so here is my wall mantle. I hope you guys like it, like my decor and the little DIY that I did. So yeah, this is it, and I love the way it looked. Just nice and simple and elegant at the same time. Thanks for watching.